Hello guys, do you believe you can make money through your smartphone using apps? Well, it sounds too good to be true, but money making app do actually exist. Why this app won't make you rich, but they'll make you some respectable pocket money and pay for your monthly mobile phone bills, buy fuels, do a lot of all those small things like that. So I'll be sincere with you. This app won't make you rich, but at least they will help you clearing some of your bills. Do you understand? So these are just the benefits of this app. After all, every dollar do count. So these are just the benefit of this app. So here in this video today, I would like to share with you top 5 money making apps that you can download today and start making money immediately. If you download them today, you register with them and you can start making money immediately. So the 5 top apps that I'll be sharing with you in this video, they are 100% legit, no scam. They don't have any scam record. They are 100% legit. So I've done my research on them. All of them, I've done my research of them, and people are actually doing good with them. So that's why I brought this to you today. So kindly stay tuned when I show you the app. So alright, so now let's head over to Play Store. So I'll show you the apps one by one so that you can just download them immediately on your phone today from the Play Store. So this app I'll be showing for you today, it is available on both Apple Store and Play Store. So you can use it on your iPhones, you can use it on your Android phones, or whatever phone you're just using. Just search for their name. All right, so let's get to it. So I'll just head over to Play Store right now. Okay, so here's the Play Store. The first app that I'll be showing you in this video is called Money App. So just type it, Money App. Alright guys, so here is the app. This is the app. It is called Money Apps. It's called Money App. I'm just gonna open it. Alright guys, so this is the Money App. So it is available on both Apple Store and Android. It's available for iPhone user and Android user. So this app is a market research app that earn you reward for completing tasks, which includes you offering opinion, playing games, checking store display, participating in free trial. Okay, you can open an account on these apps and start completing tasks to accumulate reward, which you can in turn redeem for cash using your PayPal account. So the beauty of this app is that you can get paid within 2 to 3 working days of redeeming reward. If you are actually familiar with market research apps, so you know that this is unusual. So the beautiful of this app is that they get paid within 2 to 3 working days. So you can just download this app, install it on your phone, register with them, and start completing tasks, and you'll be accumulating rewards, and from then you redeem them for cash using your PayPal account. So this is the first app I want to show you. So the second app I'll be showing you in this video, it is called FOP. So here's the app. So here is the app. So this app is a money making apps. So it's available for both iPhone user and Android user. So these apps actually allow both professional and amateur photographer to make extra money selling photos taken on a smartphone. So this particular app is just like you're selling photos that you take with your smartphone, and in return they pay you cash for it. Okay, so what you just have to do is that you download this app, you register an account with them, upload your high quality photo with clear tags, and the photo will get rated by the admin of this app, by the admin of this app. And the higher the rating of your photo, the higher the photo visibility. Do you understand? So you can make good money with these apps. You can make good money with this app. So you may for each sales of your picture you can earn like $5, or you can even earn up to $100 per sales. Okay, so this app is very good. So just download it on your phone, register with them, and start posting your picture with clear tag, and get rated and be paid. Okay, so this is just the second app I'll be showing in this video. So the third app, it is called Slide Joy. So it's called Slide Joy. Slide Joy. So actually this app, you can't find it on Play Store, but you can find it on with Google. So just type Slide Joy on Google. Slide Joy. Just type it on Google. There's a bring it out. All right, so you can see here is the app. Here is the app. So you just downloaded it from here. You just click on, if you click on it like this, so it will head over to Google Store. So you just download it from there. Okay, so this app is also it is available for just Android user. So it pay user for their lock screen. Do you understand? So once you install these apps on your phone, you start seeing various ads. A good ad, so they will be displaying ads on your lock screen. So the number of lock screen you have during the day, so they'll be displaying ad there. You don't actually need to engage with this ad before you can make money. So they'll just be displaying this app. As they are displaying this app, you are earning money like that. So it just depends on the number of the ad that was displayed on your phone. So you can choose to be paid via by Squared Cash or paper. So that's the beautiful thing there. Or you can, even if you don't want to receive the money, you can just donate the money to charity. So this perhaps is very good. So just download it from Google here, and you'll be making good money with it. So the fourth app that I'll be talking about in this video is called Toluna. Okay, so Toluna Influencer. So here's the app. So this app is a market research app. So it's available for both iPhone and Android user. So this app actually stand out because user can get paid in cash using paper, and also these apps offer reward for more than just taking survey. You can also create your own survey with these apps, and people will engage in it. Understand? So the registration with this app is very simple. To get a feel for how you can make the most out of this Toluna, you can just watch a webinar on the way you can just make this app. Do you understand? So this app is very good, but you need to be patient to make money with this particular apps. You just download it from the Google Store or from your Apple Store, and you'll be enjoying it. So this is the fourth app. So let me head over to the fifth app. So the fifth app is called User Feel. Okay, where is it? So it is called User Feel. So this app, it is available for both iPhone user and Android user. So this has allow you to participate in usability test. We call it usability test. Okay, it allows you to participate in tests, meaning you will get paid to visit, or you get paid to visit and explore new website. These apps also offer various tasks that you can just take in order to get paid. So each test that you take on this app, it lasts for 10 to 20 minutes, and you are paid, and you'll be paid $10 a test in cash, whereby paper or Payoneer. Okay, so this app is very good app. So just download it and be making money with it. Alright, so these are the 5 apps that I just want to show you in this video. Please kindly download this app and be making money on your phone, on your smartphone. Do you understand? Don't just let your smartphone to be useless. Use your smartphone to be making money in this lockdown period. Okay, you don't use your smartphone to be making money. So this is just the app that I have for you today. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Here is my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel and comment below. Please, if you feel like there's other awesome money making apps that I did not mention in this video, please kindly comment below, so that I will be very happy to amend the list and make video on any app that you recommended. Okay, so thank you very much. This was the video. Thank you very much.